Also following that major developing story with implications across the state, a Florida judge saying he will issue a temporary injunction on the state's new 15-week abortion ban.
But that injunction won't go into effect by the time the ban does tonight at midnight. Our Capitol reporter Forrest Saunders joins us live now with the timeline and what this all means. Forrest?
Well, guys, I can tell you what it means for the plaintiffs, and that is victory. The ACLU, as well as several women's health clinics across the state, they brought this legal challenge, and they are going to be celebrating after the judge's ruling today. But it may be short-lived because this fight for abortion rights is far from over. After 2 days of arguments and testimony,
I'm going to just give you the bottom line ruling now.
Judge John Cooper ruled in favor of the plaintiffs Thursday, granting a statewide temporary injunction, putting Florida's 15-week abortion ban on hold, at least momentarily.
House Bill 5 is unconstitutional in that it violates the privacy provision of the Florida Constitution.
The judge still has to review and sign the official order, which he warned will take time, not expecting it until next Tuesday. That means the 15-week ban, which cuts current law by 9 weeks and makes exceptions only for fatal fetal conditions, will still take effect Friday and remain in place until Cooper puts ink to paper.
It is a victory today. What we're seeing is courts doing what they're supposed to do.
The Florida Alliance of Planned Parenthood affiliates cheering the judge's decision regardless, saying it's a victory in their broader battle to prove that the new law violates the state's privacy protections.
Floridians have voted on this issue multiple times now. They've said that they want a strong constitutional right to privacy, and I hope to see other judges, if this is appealed, continue to respect Floridian voters and our Constitution.
Governor DeSantis signed the law earlier this year. He's touted it as the strongest pro-life protections Florida has seen in decades.
There you go.
In a statement, his office said, quote, "The Florida Constitution does not include and has never included a right to kill an innocent unborn child. They indeed plan to appeal." That'll trigger a freeze on the judge's order and another legal fight. HB 5 may, as a result, start yo-yoing in and out of effect as it bounces through the courts. Health providers and patients might have to endure a back and forth until the ban reaches the state Supreme Court, which gets a final say on constitutionality. At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, ABC Action News. Now, here's some very key context for the Florida Supreme Court. It has been reshaped by Republican governors over several years, and so it's unclear how this more conservative panel of justices would rule if HB 5 does, in fact, come before them. They obviously have a lot to consider there, but I can tell you that both the governor's office as well as the lawmakers who helped craft HB 5 tell us that they are confident the justices will see things their way. That's the latest out here at the Capitol. I'm Forrest Saunders reporting.
Forrest, thank you.